Welcome to part 3 of Introduction to Cosmetic Technology. Now we're going to spend in this part 3 recording key ingredients, basic formulations, because we're going to look at formulations more under the different subtopics for the module. So, common ingredients used in cosmetics include emollients. We're going to start with emollients, and emollients is then subdivided into 3. Natural emollients, synthetic, and hydrocarbon base. Water, antioxidants, UV filters, preservatives, natural and synthetic preservatives. And there is a big thing now where some formulations are self-preserving. Humectants, surfactants, and surfactants is subdivided into 4 categories: anionic, non-ionic, cationic, and amphoteric. Most of these products contain alcohol, aromatic hydrocarbons, perborates, anionic and non-ionic surfactants. To avoid the harmful effects to consumers, cosmetics, hygiene, and personal care products, there's a big trend now in today's context to look at natural ingredients, and that is worth exploring. So I just want to share with you some common ingredients you're going to see in the formulation. You have your botanical extracts and oils. These are natural ingredients, right? Enhance cosmetic effectiveness. Pigments and colorants. They add color to cosmetics, enhancing their appeal and variety for customer preference. Preservative and synthetic compounds ensure stability and longevity by preventing spoilage and degradation. I just want to bring your attention to bioactives. Natural bioactive complex can be extracted from plants, food byproducts, and commercial products, as mentioned by this article here. Phenolic compounds are present in a wide variety of sources, and there's a marked trend to incorporate them in cosmetics. So I've extracted a table here for you. You have the Camellia sinensis, and it says the parts used are the leaves, pomace, skin, and seed. The main compounds are listed there. Pine, we use the bark. Cocoa, we use the beans. Olea europea, we use the leaves and fruits and oil. Apples, we use the pomace and the skin. Oak, we use the bark, the leaves. Mangosteen, we use the pericarp, the peel, the seed. Mango, we use the pulp, peel, and the seed kernel. I'm sure you've heard the craze about mango butter using the seed kernel. Pomegranate, you use the fruit and the seed. Berries, we use the peel and the pulp. And coffee, we use the beans. And the main compounds present are listed there. We also have vegetable oils that are used in cosmetics: almond, arachis, castor, and olive. And we see here that they are used in creams, hair oil, brilliantines, lipsticks, hair oil, lotion, bath oils, creams. And they also have 2 types of mineral oil: light mineral oil or liquid paraffin and heavy liquid paraffin. And these are emollient, right? That is why we mentioned the definition in the part 1 recording. Water is used as a vehicle and must be pure to enhance stability. Fats, oils, waxes are used, and also the waxes we use beeswax, spermaceti, sericin, and ozokerite wax. Humectants, these prevent the drying out of the skin, right? And examples here may be inorganic, metal organic, or organic, and the examples are listed. Common ingredients in cosmetics: again, humectants, surfactants, preservative, perfumes and colorants, herbs or plants material, functional raw material, and surfactants because they are detergent. They used to wet, help to boost foam, emulsify, and solubilize. Preservatives are also used to prevent spoilage and Also, you have to think of spoilage not just from microbial growth, but from also oxidation. And so you find that antioxidants and preservatives work together synergistically to help the product. So here it says unused cosmetics are usually contaminated with Pseudomonas, but when you start using it now, you'll find that staphylococci, fungi, and yeast, things from your skin. So you apply the brush to your skin and you put it back into the main container. You're going to transfer different, and this is why you have to throw them out after a particular time. Types of preservative: antimicrobial agents, benzoic acid, formaldehyde, cresol, phenol, thimerosal, phenylmercuric salt, and many more. Safety is a big thing, and both environmental safety and personal safety, and concentration is a thing. Antioxidant: gallic acid, methyl gallate, BHA, BHT, tocopherol, citric acid, ethanolamine, lecithin, ascorbic acid, sodium sulfite, and sodium metabisulfite are antioxidants. Here is the list. What does antioxidant do? Enhance efficacy of the product, right? Prevent the product from being destroyed with its antioxidant effect. And also you have those UV absorbers which are used in your products. Perfumes, big thing, right? Per means through, and fumin, the word means smoke. And so suggesting that early perfumes were pleasant smelling, obtained by burning of wood and grass. That's the early days. Here we have different sources of perfume, and some was mentioned earlier on previous slide. Colorants are important, and there are 3 different sources of coloring agents. You have natural, saffron is such a thing. Turmeric is also a modern trend. Cochineal for animal source, and inorganic you have your iron oxide, chromium oxide, carbon black, titanium dioxide, zinc oxide. Coal tars extract include tartrazine, amaranth, erythrocene, and indigo carmine. And these are courtesy of Dr. Williams' previous lecture. Key ingredients in formulation, according to Taj et al. In 2013, beauty and cosmetic products frequently hold noxious and chemically potent substances. I think it's worth mentioning here. And so chemical ingredients can be harmful for the consumer, especially if you're using things like essential oil. Concentration matters. Experience can include rash and allergic reactions. As more people around the planet grow to the alert of the dangers of chemicals in cosmetics, there's a demand for certified organic skincare products, and that's the current trend. Now, what are some current trends and innovation as I wrap up this lecture? Nanotechnology is a thing. Advanced delivery system is a thing. Improved packaging too, and improve in formulations. Those are areas that advances. So I'm going to include here for you nanotechnology. You have nanocosmeceuticals, which are cosmetics incorporated with pharmaceutical actives. That is what we call cosmeceuticals. So pharmaceutical ingredients now incorporated in cosmetics. These are cosmeceuticals, according to DAF-PAR in 2020. So nowadays, the implementation of nanotechnology for the enhanced effectiveness of cosmeceutical is witnessing a huge success. And these include remedies for damaged hair, wrinkles, aging, and skin dryness. Nanoparticles are those between 1 to 100 nanometer. And so you can see from this slide here, we got from Science Direct, that nanotechnology has entered lip care, your lip color, gloss and balm, hair care, shampoo, conditioner, serum, color, and even gel. Nail care, like your nail lacquer. So I know in pharmacy you have some antifungal nail lacquer, which is nail polish integrated with antifungal medicine that can be used to treat nail infections, fungal infections. Dental care, toothpaste and teeth whitener. Skincare, you use moisturizers, skin cleansers, sunscreen, anti-aging, anti-acne, skin serum, under eye serum. Nanotechnology has branched into all of these. Advances, there's a growing popularity for natural organic cosmetics. Consumers are becoming environmentally and health focused and safety focused, and even less use of animal involvement in the development of the cosmetics. They want safer alternatives. Um, According to this article from Science Direct, there's a big thing now about skin allergy, skin irritation. So there are two different things, skin allergy as opposed to skin irritation. And parabens and surfactants are up for discussion in regards to safety and skin ingredients. Cosmetics of the hair, skin, nails represent a great importance for dermatologists. This physician, Drelos, in 1995 wrote an article that dermatology need to pay attention to cosmetics because they can actually trigger the appearance of acne, create cutaneous skin disease, and interfere with other treatment. And so it's important. Hair, ethical issues and sustainable practices. You want cruelty-free production of cosmetics, transparency in branding, and environmentally friendly packaging. So to conclude, there's a historical, scientific, cultural, and industry conglomerate, all thoughts coming together, where historically cosmetics have rich history that reflects changing cultural standards and beauty ideals over time. That is why I told you to pay attention to the different areas so we could actually see that bleaching of the skin became a thing in a particular era, right? Scientific innovation, there's now the integration of pharmaceuticals into cosmetics and the arrival of cosmeceuticals and nanotechnology. Cultural trends. Cultural trends remain an influence of self-expression and caring for self. Right? We see with the Egyptians, they thought being clean and smelling nice was a sign of holiness. Right? And then we saw the time now where it was a sign to show wealth. And then there's a time where, irrespective of wealth, you just care for yourself. Industry complexity now, understanding history, science, and culture behind cosmetics reveals the industry dynamic nature. These are my references. Thank you for paying attention to this last recording in the series, Introduction to Cosmetic Technology. See you for another unit with a pre-recorded lecture. Thank you.